everybody, Peter Gantner here, back with another video. We are having such a great time previewing the projects that we've looked at. You guys know most of the projects we do are under $1 million market cap. Kira is a little different. I believe it's a little over $2 million. We'll get to that once we share our screen. It's a very interesting project. It's a more recent project. They built through the bear market, but they weren't really launched. This token launched not too long ago, but it's a very interesting project that I thought we should take a look at. All right, so here it is. I am not a financial advisor. This is not meant for financial advice at all. It's entertainment and educational purposes. The idea of this content is to show you projects, and then you take the information that we have, make a decision if it's worth your time and effort and energy to go research it, and then you would go and do that research. So with that, I'm going to go ahead and share my screen, and we're going to jump into the world of Kira. All right, so we're at 20.2367. You can see that this has been on a little bit of a nice run here. It was at about 2.5 cents not long ago. I actually got involved in this project back here, and it made a nice run up to 40 cents up here, and right now it's sitting at about 24 cents. It is on the Ethereum chain, but you can see it is also on the Binance Smart Chain. I purchased it on the Binance Smart Chain as well as on the Ethereum chain when it first launched, and actually I've done well on both of them, right? So let's go up here, and I think there's a lot of room for this project. Again, not financial advice, but I do believe there's a lot of room. A little under $3 million market cap. Of course, at the 40 cents, it would have been a little over $4 million market cap there. We're looking at the circulating supply of about 12,500,000. It's pretty low with 300 million KEX. So one of the things we'll look at early on, we don't see them dumping a bunch of these into the market. The research that I'll be doing is, what's the release schedule on these? Because right now it's about what, 4%. About 4% of the tokens are in distribution. That gives us a $71 million market cap. Now, if you've seen lately, PancakeSwap, they did a 750 million max supply. They're getting ready to burn a lot of those to bring that supply down. So that's something that can happen with projects. And this is when you say, hey, let's communicate with the founders. You can do it as well. You can reach out through Telegram, through their Twitter account. In a lot of different ways you can ask and find out if they are available, the team that's building it and making it happen. So we go down here a little bit more. We're going to go out to the website. And the reason why I don't have the website already pulled up, guys, is that you're going to see a portion of the technology when we go to the website. Before we do that, let's jump down here. We can see that they're on LaToken, and they're on Gate.io, Ascend EX, so that's BitMax, and of course on the decentralized exchange, Uniswap, and also on PancakeSwap, because you can buy it on the Binance Smart Chain. So that one is not on there, so I wanted to make sure that we covered that. Let's jump out to their website. So when you go out to their website, it's going to take you here to Kira.network, but it's going to redirect you to the community operated instance of the open source, and it's going to come up and it should ask you, use Brave local IPFS node, so a local node, or would you like to use the public gateway? I'm going to hit set your IPFS preference. It's installing it. So this is about a privacy network. Okay, so IPFS, Interplanetary File System, is the public network for peer-to-peer data storage and delivery. This protocol has different privacy considerations from HTTPS. There we go. Allow. Looking for peers. All right. It found a peer, and here we are on the site for Kira, pushing the limits of trustless computing. Blockchain, cryptocurrency, Web3 is about trustless transactions. It's about being able to have freedom to direct where your data, your information, and everything is going. And that is what Kira is working on pioneering. So Kira is a virtualization and consensus framework that enables anyone to deploy code that can be trusted without the need for smart contracts, application-specific side chains, or operating any complex infrastructure. They have a test net. You can join the test net. I haven't done that yet, but I will. Could be an airdrop with the test net. Who knows? They have a lot of tokens, at their disposal to give out. As we see, there's less than 12 or right around 4% of the tokens are in distribution, I believe was that number, about 12 million out of 300 million. So we can come here and it tells us about the test net, explains it to us. It tells us how to become a tester. And then, of course, the setup and all the information that we need in order to do this. Now, on our next video, we'll probably get our resident technology people, Dawn and Jan, to do a walkthrough video on getting this set up because it looks pretty technical. This would scare me away, but with the team that we have, it's not going to scare. That's one of the reasons why you should hit the subscribe button, ring the bell, because we'll have some walkthrough videos on this and other airdrops that may be available for you to be a part of. Okay, so we got that. Let's go down and look a little bit more into the project. The new way to connect the dots. Building decentralized applications doesn't have to be difficult, and the settlement of layer 2 application state doesn't have to require any complex cryptography operations. With Kira, we can start onboarding deterministic Web 2 systems to propel the new evolution of composable Web 3 far beyond what was ever possible before. So guys, we can see here, you're going to have the Kira network here, or their operations, their technology, and then the other Cosmos, Polkadot, Bitcoin, Ethereum will revolve around this. So this is about making it easier. One of the things right now is the complexity of Web3. It's preventing a lot of people to migrate over here. This is a project that I see that could help with that on that side. So let's jump over to their Twitter page. We're going to have a lot more information on this in the next video as we do a walkthrough on setting up a testnet, those type of things. So let's jump over here and we see pushing the limits of trustless computing. Not just trustless blockchains, guys, trustless computing. All right, so we got their website, Kira.network. They joined in 2019. They've been working on this for quite some time, guys. That's 4 years ago that they had to actually register the channel. 19,000.9K followers. And we can come down and we can see that they're very active on the site. Count of Monte Cristo. I love that. Anyone else here love that film, The Count of Monte Cristo? I saw it in school, the first original version, and then they did the remake. The remake's actually pretty good. All right, happy holidays on the 24th. On the 9th, Kira dev team is becoming a DAO. We are moving all of soft off from centralized cloud to our privacy hosted servers. With it, the old staking program, stake.kira.net, will be closed. Make sure to claim your locked LP token. So if you're already involved in the project. So if you're somebody and you're involved in Kira and you'd like to comment down in the chat underneath, please do. If you're with the project, please reach out to us. We'd love to talk to you further about it and get some additional information on it. All right, the KEX token distribution is finalized. A total of 224,608 KEX. 74.8% is currently in circulation, while 25.1% is locked for future staking. Now, that's not what it's showing. So this is a good thing to look at, guys. This is why we go over to them and we read. Here it's telling us that there is only a small amount in distribution, so about 12 million in distribution. Over here, it's talking about that would make a tremendously different market cap, right, than what we've talked about being a little over a few $1,000,000 here. So this is something that we'll have to definitely look into and see what is going on here. We've got, let's click this link right here and let's see where it takes us to, and we'll get to learn more about it. All right, that changes that there's a lot of tokens left for some type of an airdrop. So we'll have to see if there's rewards for that. So we're going out to their Telegram. Let's open it on the desktop. 462 subscribers. Not a lot on Telegram as far as subscribers goes. That's for sure. We've seen a lot of channels with 40, 50,000, 100,000 people on their Telegram. All right, there's a whole announcement here. I'm not going to read the whole announcement. We will cover this again in the follow-up video. The key is it's really cool technology. We believe it's a low market cap, but it could be a much higher market cap. That changes it incredibly, right? 260 something or 75% of them, 220 million tokens out there at 2 cents a token. That's a $44 million market cap, not a under $3 million market cap. So we're going to have to check into that and find out what's going on. Hopefully the project will reach out to us and give us an explanation of that. If you want to pin this or send this to the project founders, that would be fantastic for them to get back with us and let us know what's going on there. See, guys, we're discovering it with you. This is a community effort. It's not us saying, hey, here's what you should do. It's us together finding the greatest projects in crypto. And that's extremely important. So if you like this content, you want to find more projects like this, and you want to get notified every time we put out a video, you can go ahead and hit the subscribe button. You can ring the bell, and please like the video. Please get involved in the conversation. Comment below. I want to thank you for joining me on this video, and I want to say have a fantastic day.